Well, they flew one of them motherfucking drones into South Carolina country. And I done shot that motherfucker down. The government might not know what it is, but we about to know.
What up, y'all? Phil James. Today is the 13th of December, 2024. Guys, that's one of those drones right there. Central Ohio. Look, that is not normally there, guys.
No way! Yo! No way! You got good footage? Good footage? Oh, they fucking! The shit fucking crashed! Yo!
Breaking news. Late last night, multiple witnesses reported seeing what many are calling a UFO crash over Washington, D.C. The mysterious object was observed cutting across the night sky before crashing near the city, leaving a thick trail of smoke hanging in the air for hours. Emergency services were quick to respond, and helicopters have been circling the area ever since. Despite growing speculation, there's no official word from authorities, and none is expected. The silence only adds to the mystery surrounding what really fell from the sky over the nation's capital.
Let me see him. What's going on with you?
What was seen blazing across the United States last night just so happened to be seen in 4 different states. There are hundreds of residents in the DC area alone that heard and saw the same exact thing that I saw last night, but yet no local police departments have anything to say about it. And apparently whatever crashed just so happened to crash specifically around Annapolis. Apparently rumor has it that parts of a satellite were falling across the sky overnight. I don't know how much I should believe that.
What up, y'all? Phil James. Today is the 13th of December, 2024. Guys, that's one of those drones right there. Central Ohio. Look, that is not normally there, guys. That is one of those drones. Dude, that's like beaming at me. Look at that. Dude, holy shit. I can't believe I'm filming one of these. That is one of those drones, guys. That is one of those drones. What the fuck? Guys, what is that? What is that? Please inform me. Do I think this is some alien spacecraft? No. I think it's humans. 100% humans. There's a lot of cops out in Delaware City right now. I was wondering why. I think this is why. They're not going crazy, but they're definitely driving around in mass. Guys, that is one of the drones, guys. Guys, that is one of... Okay, hold on. Dude, guys. Sorry, I'm shivering. Oh, it just moved. It moved really quick. Did you guys see that? That is 100% one. It just moved. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is insane. Guys, that is one of the drones. That is one of them. The ones that are being seen in Jersey, New York, and clearly now Central Ohio. Guys, no doubt in my mind is that one. Not even slightly. That is 1000% one. Guys, that is one of the drones. I'm sorry, I know I'm repeating it, but I'm kind of blown away because I was talking about how I wanted to film one literally just earlier today, and boom, ask and you shall receive, I guess. Dude, what in the fudge, man? This is crazy. This is totally humans, dude. Humans do this shit. Alright, so I guess this video is coming out a little sooner than later because there is footage of one that had wrecked. Okay, so I think there's other people out looking at this, guys. Guys, that is so one of the drones. Okay, I'm gonna get my cousin. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. It's moving, guys. Tell me that's not one of those drones right there. Alright, guys, it's back again. Central Ohio. Phil James. Listen, share it up, y'all. Let's go viral on YouTube because, you know, TikTok's torn me down like 12 times and YouTube censors the absolute shit out of me. So, let's make this happen. Guys, Central Ohio, what is going on? What is going on? I'm freezing. It's like literally 19 degrees right now. I have a bunch of stills I just took, at least a few, plus more footage from other people. I think I'm going to upload them separate, keep my footage alone. Guys, what in the world is this thing? Like I said, I don't think this is alien beings. I think this is the elite of this world playing some sort of game right here. It's exactly what I think this is. Why do I feel like this thing's pulsating directly at me? I mean, doesn't it look that way? Look, I mean, look at the damn thing. Guys, what in the world is... Oh, dude, this is so trippy. Even, you know, even knowing what we know and believing what we believe, you know, even if this is... What's below it? I can't see that with my naked eye, guys. I cannot see that other one. There it is. There it is. I can see it now. That was a plane, like, directly under it. I mean, not directly under it, but, you know, from my vantage point, it was directly under. Guys, what in the world is happening? This is so crazy. Even if, you know, this is exactly what we think, and it's humans, it still doesn't matter, because what they plan on doing with this is far beyond good for them, obviously. It's absolutely terrible for us. This is literally not good. Oh gosh. This might start a little quicker than we thought, guys. I don't like this. Somebody's reacting to this. You can hear them screaming down the street. Those are people screaming about these drones. You hear that, right? Or maybe they're screaming about the game, I don't know. But either which way, I hear people reacting somewhere. This is crazy. Planes keep flying by. There's another one or a plane coming up over here on the left too. Oh my gosh, guys, what in the world is happening? Oh guys, I got my microwave. I have my magic microwave light. We'll know if we're getting beamed by any microwaves because this thing will light up orange. So far so good, no orange. I wish I had my radiation meter, my EMF meter. My car's broke down, so I do not have that. Guys, this is crazy. This is so insane. Oh, I don't like this. Why does it look more and more like a plus sign or an X or something? Here, let me see if I can adjust this and make it look better. It's so bright, dude. Changing the brightness doesn't even affect it. This is nuts. This is nuts. Alright guys, it's like I said, it's 20 degrees or less, so I need to go in because I'm going to get frostbite or something on my hands. Yeah, this is nuts. I need to charge my phone. I may go live. Wow. Okay, I love you guys. Please share this video. Please leave a like. Like I said, I'm not causing panic. I'm telling you, this is more than likely 90% chance this is humans with some sort of technology, or it's unmanned and it's still humans. More than likely. There's a deception, an agenda that comes with this, and a lot of you watching this already know about it. But for those of you who don't know who I am and you're just stumbled across this, the narrative they are going to provide you with these mystery so-called drones, it's not going to be good. There's going to be lockdowns. You're going to lose your rights, and things are going to get really, really weird. I'm almost 100% on that. And from what I'm seeing, there's already lockdowns taking place in certain cities due to these drones and, you know, the so-called craziness that's happening. Lasers are being shot down. Supposedly, all kinds of things are being said. It's hard to tell. I've heard even Iranian mothership in the Atlantic is releasing these. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now it's moving. I cannot even think that this is some sort of Iranian mothership. That would be insane. It's right here flying, dude. You guys, it's moving now. It's moving. It literally went right between the tree, dude. Like, it knows I'm watching it. And it phases out of existence. Yeah, right after I say it, like it knows I'm watching it. It literally phases, like, out of existence. Holy shit, that thing is moving down, dude. It's right there, dude. It just went flying so fast. Wow, dude. Wow. Please share this, guys. Please leave likes. I love you. God bless. Phil James.
Are going to be able to sound off on this. Look at this video, okay? Do you see that? That is a video from Mel Uberto of what looks like a fireball across the sky. We have been talking all morning about how weird the weather is this morning.
And so about an hour ago, Lindsay was saying she was getting so many viewer messages that were saying they were seeing like bright lights or lightning outside and on their security cameras. And so this is what people were reporting that they were seeing. So we're asking if you saw anything like this and you have like any Ring doorbell camera, share your videos on our Facebook page. And so Lindsay, you can probably confirm confirmed. Like, people aren't just making this up.
Yeah, and look back between about 4 o'clock and 4:15 earlier this morning. We had reports from Monrovia down to Greencastle, basically all over central Indiana, of seeing these reports of fireballs and hearing what sounds like thunder. So yeah, let us know if you saw something.